Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Witcher 3 expansion packs. You have a couple of options for starting these epic adventures. You can jump right in from the main menu or seamlessly integrate them into your ongoing main story playthrough. For the first expansion, Hearts of Stone, it's best to be around level 30. For Blood and Wine, aiming for level 34 will ensure a challenging and rewarding experience. Get ready for many hours of new quests and monsters. Hearts of Stone offers a captivating new storyline, adding about 10 hours of gameplay to your Witcher journey. You'll encounter the mysterious Gaunter O'Dim and delve into a dark, intriguing narrative. A key feature is the Runewright, who can significantly enhance your gear with unique enchantments, providing new strategic options in combat. Prepare to explore new regions and face formidable foes in this first expansion. The Blood and Wine expansion is a massive addition, offering over 30 hours of new content. You'll travel to the stunning, sun-drenched Duchy of Toussaint, a land untouched by war, but with its own dark secrets. This expansion also introduces a new mutation system, allowing Geralt to unlock powerful new abilities and further customize his fighting style. Prepare for a grand finale to Geralt's saga, filled with new characters and challenging monsters. To fully enjoy the expansions, remember to complete side quests and contracts, as they provide valuable experience and superior gear. Investing in your alchemy and sign abilities will offer diverse combat strategies against new enemy types. Always explore every nook and cranny. The new regions are packed with hidden treasures, secret quests, and intriguing lore waiting to be discovered. Enjoy your extended adventures as Geralt of Rivia.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.